Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to Down at the Unit. Just a quick one, looking to do a quick giveaway of a universal car tow strap with Down at the Unit branded on it. There's a few ways to enter. You can either go into the link below in the description, which will take you to a website where you can enter, and I think there are more than one option to enter. So if you get that done, you'll be in with the chance to be able to get your hands on this very illustrious car tow strap. Universal car tow strap. Ideal if you want to whack it to your front tow eye or your rear tow eye. Handy for a quick session at the track if you need it. So yeah, the winner will receive that. Just thought it'd be nice to give something back to all you guys who've shown so much support so far. And let's carry on with it. I will see you in the next episode.